In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Serpentine belt on your Toyota Camry located on the passenger side of the engine. Now right here is our Serpentine belt, and it comes down to our tensioner, which is right down here. On the front of that tensioner is a 14 millimeter, and we're going to use our box wrench here. You can use a ratchet, you can use a crow's foot wrench. And put this on here, we're going to lift up. And when that comes up, we're releasing tension on that. Go ahead and slide the belt off of the tensioner. You can probably work that up and off of the alternator as well. Now we're going to go ahead and release the tension, lowering that down. Go ahead and work that belt off, pull it up and out. Go ahead and lower our belt down. We want to run that down around our harmonic balancer. And I'm going to run that down around our AC compressor, which is right on the front side here. And we can see that I have the belt on the tensioner down below. And we're going to try and pull this belt up and over the alternator right here. I do want to get my wrench down below. So now that we have the belt on all of our pulleys, we can go ahead and release the tensioner. Remove our tool. Now you do want to go ahead and double check and make sure that the belt is fully on all of the ribbed pulleys. You can reach down and double check that crankshaft. And everything is visually on here. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and start it up and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.